Hi, Mary and Nathan. It is Mrs. McCarter again, and right now I am going to go over the answers for last week's lesson, which was 8.2 chemical bonds hold compounds together. So here I am in Miss Carl's Google Classroom stream, and I am going to click on the classwork tab. Once I am in the classwork tab, I am going to scroll down to the section that says Mrs. McCarter's Science. And here I am. Here are the 4 assignments that I have given to you two. And if you do the assignment and turn it in, it will be gray. And if it is still pending, it will be blue. Now, please keep in mind if you select the turn in button but didn't actually do the work, it looks like you turned it in even if you didn't. So let me give you an example of 8.2. I'm going to click over here. 8.2, it says watch the video. In the comments, write what type of bond is formed when sodium and chlorine were combined. And I can see that one was turned in. But when I view the assignment, it shows me that Nathan had turned it in. However, it does not show that there are any comments. The comments would be appearing here under Nathan's name. So right now I'm going to show you how you can write in those comments. Since my Google Classroom as a teacher looks very different from your Google Classroom as a student, I am going to look at my daughter's Google Classroom so I can show you exactly how to submit your comments. So here I am in her science class, and I am going to click on classwork. Like I said earlier, the gray is something that she completed, but it's blue if it is not yet completed. So I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to click on View Assignment. And here is where her assignment is. For yours, it would be the link to the video. After I watch the video, then in the comment section is where I can type in my answer. Either click the arrow or hit enter. Both of those will send it. And then I select the button that is mark as done. For all our assignments, we are just making comments. We are not submitting any files or attachments. You're just going to click mark as done after you entered your comment. I am in Miss Carl's section under Mrs. McCarter's Science, and we are going to take a look at last week's assignment. It is 8.2 chemical bonds hold compounds together. Now here is a tip for the two of you. You should read the question first so you know what you are looking for when you watch the video. The question is, what type of bond is formed when sodium and chlorine were combined? I'm going to go ahead and click on the YouTube video and play. At approximately 30 seconds into the video, we see that there are 2 types of bonds that are formed.
Covalent, ionic bonds, and covalent bonds.
So our answer is either going to be an ionic bond or a covalent bond. Let's continue watching. They are showing a chemical bond between sodium and chlorine. So the chemical bond between sodium and chlorine is an example right here of an ionic bond. So I'm going to go ahead and just simply exit out of this, and I can write in the answer to my question. It is a good idea to continue watching the video, which is only a little bit longer than 4 minutes, but you already have your answer to that lesson. So in conclusion, an ionic bond is the type of bond that is formed when sodium and chlorine combine.